In the heart of the Thar desert, where the sun beats down mercilessly and the wind whispers ancient secrets, lived a magnificent camel named Zara. Unlike most camels who toiled under heavy loads, Zara was free. She roamed the vast desert, her hooves barely leaving a mark on the golden sand. Her hump, proudly held high like a sail, held not only fat but also the spirit of adventure. Zara spent her days exploring hidden oases, befriending shy desert creatures, and watching the sun paint the sky in fiery colors at twilight. She was a creature of the wind, attuned to the rhythm of the dunes and the whispers of the sand. One day, Zara stumbled upon a caravan struggling to cross the treacherous shifting sands. The sand dunes, constantly changing shape and direction, were disorienting the travelers, and their supplies were dwindling. Zara watched them, her heart fill. Remembering the ancient paths etched in the sand, Zara approached the caravan leader. Though surprised and wary at first, the leader listened as Zara spoke in the language of the desert winds, offering her guidance. Trusting in her instinct, the leader agreed to follow Zara. Guided by Zara's unerring sense of direction, the caravan navigated the treacherous dunes with ease. Zara led them to hidden water sources and protected them from sandstorms. Within days,